Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make your chats private in your character.ai conversation. Now let's begin. This is the official homepage of character.ai. Simply go to character.ai and log in right now. Scrolling down, you can see lots of characters right here. You can simply chat with any one of them. Do note that any chat you do with any character is completely private. Other people cannot read your conversation. Only you yourself can read the conversation. But in case you are quite skeptical, what you can do is create a character yourself. At the left corner of the screen, you will find something like create. Simply click on it. And it's going to give you two options like create a character and voice. Simply click on the character option right here. Now give your character some details and everything. And once everything's okay, hit on the create character right here. Well, any conversations you do with any character is private and you don't need to worry much about it. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's the gist about making your conversation private in character.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.